In this video, we'll see how to fix the sound issue. If you cannot hear anything in your headset because it's on mute and adjusting the volume doesn't help, open the control panel by opening the start menu and typing control panel, and open the view by drop down menu and select large icon. Okay, and click on sound and double click on the correct headset or earphone, or select it and click properties. Okay, go to the levels tab. From here we can see that the sound icon is disabled. We just have to click on it to enable it, and click on OK and OK again to save it. And now the issue is solved. You can see here that now the issue is fixed.